Welcome to another episode of TechScope. Wishing you good health and happiness. In this video, I will discuss about PDF Element Online. Whether you are a student, professional, or just someone who deals with PDF regularly, this tool can completely transform how you edit, view, and manage your documents, all directly from the browser. No need to download it. Whether you need to edit text and images, fill out forms, merge document, or even convert PDF to Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, PDF Element Online has covered everything. And the best part is it's fast, user-friendly, and straightforward. In this video, I will walk you through the key features, show you step by step, and share some tips on how to get most of it, so you can work smarter, not harder. First of all, you have to sign up, and this type of interface will appear in front of you. First option on the left side is Annotate. It supports text highlighting, pictures, text boxes, shapes, and other annotation methods. The second one is Edit PDF. By using this, you can add text, shapes, and images to a PDF file, which I will show later in this video. The third one is Convert. By using this, you can convert your PDF file to Word, JPT, Excel, PPT, HTML. The next one is Organize. By using this, you can merge your PDF file, you can compress your PDF file, you can split your PDF file, you can extract images from your PDF file, and you can also rearrange your PDF pages. The next option is Protect. By using this, you can protect your PDF file by using a password. Then comes the AI tools. By using this, you can chat with your PDF file, you can translate your PDF file, you can proofread your PDF file, you can use AI detector, and you can also use AI read. Now I'm going to upload a PDF file, as you can see. Once the PDF is added, your PDF is now movable. You can select any part of your PDF and you can highlight the specific part with any color, as you can see. You can add text to your PDF at any place. As you can see, I am going to write the name of my channel, TechScope. You can select any part of your PDF and you can bold it. You can also italic your text. You can also underline some words or paragraph in your PDF file. And you can also strike through any words or lines in your PDF file. You can also change the font of your PDF file. Many fonts are available here, as you can see. You can highlight any part of your PDF, you can add text to your PDF, you can add an image to your PDF, and you can add a shape to your PDF. Now I'm going to add an image to my PDF file. You can add the image at any place of your PDF file. You can also resize the image. You can also add a shape to your PDF file. Line, rectangular, and oval shapes are given here. This shape can be used to highlight an important part in your PDF file. Moving to the next step, Convert. Now I will show you how you can convert your PDF file. I am going to convert this PDF to Word. Once your PDF file is added, simply click on Convert. It will complete its process in a few seconds, as you can see. Now our PDF file is converted into Word, as you can see. In the Organize section, I will show you how you can compress your PDF files. You just need to select your PDF file and click on Compress. In a few seconds, our file will be compressed. As you can see, our PDF file is successfully compressed. Next, I am going to show you how you can protect your PDF file. You just need to select your PDF file and put a password here and click on encrypt. Now our PDF file is password protected. Next, in the A section, I will show you how you can translate your PDF file into different languages. You simply need to upload a PDF file and it will auto detect its language. Now I am going to translate this PDF file into Italian, as you can see. The PDF file is translated into Italian. Now I am going to translate it into Japanese, as you can see. It is a very useful online PDF editor which comes with a very useful friendly interface. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For these type of further videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.